friends, in the previous lecture we studied about LR0 parsing table construction, and in this video we are going to study about the SLR1 parsing table construction. The drawback of LR0 was that there was a very large number of reduced actions in the particular parsing table. So reduce operations are reduced in the case of SLR1 parsing table. How? Let us see. Okay, so let us first consider the differences and similarities between LR0 and SLR1 parsing table construction. Okay, similarities are there. That is, what happens is that shift operations are same. Okay, shift actions are same, and reduce actions are different. Okay, this is the first point to be noted. And second point is that uh, go to table entry is also same. Okay, go to table entry is also same, and rest are different because of the reduce action. The number of blank spaces also changes, because as we are reducing the reduce action, we are having less reduce action, number of blank spaces will increase. Then blank spaces indicates the error action. So blank spaces means the error actions, so error actions will be increased. Okay, so error actions will also be increased, and number of states will be same in both the parsing table. Okay, so these are the points to be noted, that these are the differences and similarities between the two LR0 and SLR1 parsing table. So for the easy and convenience, I am taking the same example that I took in the previous lecture also for LR0 parsing table construction, because the DFA that I made will be same only, and the changes will come in the parsing table only, in the reduce action, entry of the reduce actions itself only. Okay, so let us consider the same grammar, that is S produces capital A, capital B, A produces small a, B produces small b. This is the grammar. Let's number the grammar. Because of the reduce action, you have to suffix the particular production number to it. So we are numbering the 1, 2, 3 as the production numbers. Okay, this is our grammar. So what we'll do is, first of all, the step 1 of the parsing table construction was to add the augmented grammar. Okay, in order to get the accept state. For S, this is dot followed by a non-terminal, so closure function is called. So S is producing dot AB, new production will be added with the non-terminal, okay, to the particular state. And now for this is also dot followed by a non-terminal, so A production will also be added. So this is dot followed by terminal, so this is all for the particular state. Now for the second state, what we'll do, upon getting S, we'll get S dash produces S dot. This is the accept state, friends. So why we took the augmented grammar? This is because to get an accept state. Okay, this is an accept state. Now for this particularly, upon getting A transaction, what we have to do is S dash A dot B. This is go to function is called here. So the dot is shifted to the right hand side part. Now there again is dot followed by non-terminal, so non-terminal is B, so B's production must be added to this state. So B produces dot B will be added here. Okay, like this. So this is the end of this particular state. Now for this state, upon getting A, the Goto will shift the dot from the left part of the left to the right hand side part. Okay, this production, and it will go to the dot will shift to the right. So this is particularly, so here dot is complete, the dot came to the right hand side, here also dot came to the right hand side. So these two are completed, and but these two are not completed because dot is not on the right hand side. So we have to go further again, transaction of B, then go to function is called, and the go to function will shift the dot to the right hand side part. Okay, it will shift to the right hand side part. Okay, now this is done. So the state is completed. For now this production particularly is on B transaction. It will go to the dot go to statement will go to function will be called. So go to function will shift the dot from to the right hand side part. Okay, from here. So This is also completed. We can see that all states are completed because dot is on the right hand side. Okay, this is on the right hand side. This part we already discussed in the previous video also. So this is same, this particular case is same. Shift operations will be same, but the shift operations same. Go to table entries will also be same, but the reduce action will be different, and reduce action will be based on the follow of the LHS non-terminal. Okay, let's write is that reduce action will be based on follow of LHS non-terminal. Okay, that has to be kept in mind. Okay, reduce action will be placed on follow of LHS non-terminal. So let's draw the table for this again. Okay, now we'll make SLR1 parsing table. Okay, it is same as the entries are same, that is action table, and go to table will also be same. And number of states, let's number the states first. Okay, the states were, I am numbering it from level by level for convenience. This is first level, I0, I1, I2, I3 on the second level, and I4 and I5 on third level. Okay, this is we have got the 6 states, I0 to I5. Okay friends, so now what we have to do, first of all, upon I0 you have to see the transaction, that is small a will terminals we go to the action table entries, and non-terminals will go into go to table entries. So small a, after small a we are going to I3, so S3 operations will be written to it. Okay, so let's write it on I0 on A will be go to S3. Okay, so let's write it, I0 on, okay, we have to write here also a, small b, and dollar S, A and B. Okay, on small a we are going to S3 state, I3 state, so shift 3, shift table entries will be same. On capital A we are going to I2 state, and for S we are going to I1 state, so we are making it 1 and 2. Okay, for I0. For I1 what we are going to do, let's see. For I1, I1 is the accept state, so I1 dollar will give us accept state. Okay friends, so I1 on dollar will give us accept state. Now considering about the I3, I2 on transaction with small b goes to I5 state, so we have to write S5 on b, and so let's it write I2 on small b is going to S5, and I2 on small b S5, and I2 on capital B goes to 4, so 4 is written here. Now 3 more states are there, and I3, I4 and I5. Okay, for I3 state what will happen is that if this is a particular reduce action, okay, shift action is same. Now it's a time to open your ears and see each and every part very crucially, because it's very important. Okay, so pay attention to it. Capital A is A dot. Okay, so this is a particular kind of reduce action, and reduce action will be placed on follow of LHS non-terminal. Okay, so you have to see that the particular grammar. Okay, what is the grammar? For grammar number, production number is 2. A produces small a. LHS non-terminal, you have to find the follow of A. Okay, so follow of A will be equal to follow of first of B. Okay, follow of A will be first of B, as I told you before. Follow of A is the first of B, so it is small b. You have to write it. Okay, follow of S will be equal to, first of all it is starting, so dollar will be there. Follow of S, so dollar is only there, and follow of capital B is follow of S, that is equals to dollar only. Okay, so you have to mark it down. Okay, so for reduce this particularly, you have to mark first of all it is the production number 2, so we are marking R2 on the follow of A. Follow of A is B, so we are making R2 on follow of B. Okay, marking R2 on follow of B, that is A. no, fall of A is B, so we are marking R2 on B. Okay, this is now for the case of what we can say I3 state, I4 state, it is S produces AB dot. Okay, so this is particular production, and follow of S, this is production number 1, so R1 will be there on follow of S, so follow of S is dollar, so it will be written on dollar. Okay, so dollar R1 will be written. Okay, so this is I4 R1. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद B produces B dot, that is S, that is what it is third grammar, so R3 will be placed on the follow of LHS non-terminal, that is capital B. So on dollar you have to write R3. Okay, so on dollar you have to write R3, so this is dollar, you are writing in the here R3. Okay, so that is all for this particular this is particularly our SLR1 parsing table, and this is very easy if you understand the LR0 parsing table, because the changes is only on the reduce entries, that is in the red color. Red colored entries are different, rest are same. Okay, I hope that you got it all right. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please subscribe it. Okay.